When on location carpet cleaning first began, shampooing was like the most popular method, and the shampoos left a sticky residue that caused resoiling.
This is the Check-A-Pro Radio Show. Check-A-Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Check-A-Pro Joe.
This is like an old wives' tale. I've heard this before. It's about carpet. This may be true in your mind as well for everyone listening out there. And that is, do your carpets seem to get dirtier quicker the more you get them cleaned? So I've asked Erik Olson, he's an expert in carpet cleaning from Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning, to answer this question. Once carpets have been cleaned, the carpets can get dirtier quicker. Is that true, Erik?
Well, that's a great question. The answer, I think, is yes and no.
Okay.
So at one time, your carpet resoiled quicker after cleaning, but that was over 40 years ago. Okay, so that was a long time ago. When on location cleaning, carpet cleaning first began, shampooing was like the most popular method. And the shampoos left a sticky residue that caused resoiling. So just imagine if you shampooed your hair and then didn't rinse it, right? But chemistry, equipment, a lot's changed, right? Even in the last 5 years, a lot has changed with that. But with Safe and Soft's chemistry, no shampoos or soaps, and our equipment, your carpets are left nearly residue-free. Frequent cleaning actually extends the life of your carpet and is recommended by most manufacturers and the EPA. Simply put, times have changed, and as long as the carpets are rinsed, that should not be an issue. There are some cleaners, however, we like to call them splash and dash, that they just rush through it and they do not do a thorough job of rinsing the carpet, and so your carpet's kind of left crunchy, stiff, right? That's just evidence that there's residue there, right? And we do not like to have that with our company, right? If something like that was to occur, we would immediately come back and make sure that it was right, so that you have nearly zero residue, or as little residue as possible in your carpet.
So your grandparents need to stop spreading the noise. It's old-fashioned stuff. Today, companies like Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning, a really good company like Safe and Soft, are going to be doing it the right way and not leaving residue behind. You know, I was thinking about leaving shampoo in my hair. If I had a lot of hair, I guess it'd make a difference.
People still call carpet cleaning shampooing, and you know, sometimes it irks off a carpet cleaner, and it's like, we don't use shampoos anymore, but whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, old habits die hard. Thank you so much, Erik. I appreciate it. All of Erik's information to contact him is listed in the description of this podcast. Thanks again, Erik.
Thank you, Joe.
Check-A-Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Check-A-Pro Radio Show.